Welcome guys back. We are live right now on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say hope you guys are having a great day, and I'm very pumped to see how this video can impact your life. Okay, so we're gonna go into specific details on iCoinPro and trading cryptocurrency in general. We're gonna also look at the market as of today, what is happening with the market as of today, and you will be seeing this video when you see it, but I am talking to you guys on the 8th of April, so you will see the video on the 8th, even later than that, it really doesn't matter, but we'll be talking about the markets on the 8th of April itself. Besides that, we're also going to see one more thing right here, some proof about how this membership site has been helping me personally grow my knowledge in cryptocurrency, help you guys more, help myself more, not focus on recruiting, but even at the same time, if I do market it, I get paid on a day-to-day basis. So it's up to you whether you just want to use the skills or you want to grow your business in any other way possible. Okay, I'm going to definitely show you some proof which you would be excited to see about. So let's look at the coin market cap at the moment, coin market cap, and take a look at the current state of Bitcoin and the other currencies. So we're just about 7,000 right now in Bitcoin. There's a lot of news that's happened. Just to give you guys an update as well, India, for example, has told very specifically that they will not be allowed to trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies in India itself. So a lot of exchanges within India are in a bit of trouble. They don't, I mean, Indian people can definitely hold Bitcoin in foreign accounts, basically in wallets in other countries and stuff like that, but they cannot do it in India itself. It is, apparently the Reserve Bank of India has said this information, has given this information. So obviously a lot of people have been cashing out, and because they have been cashing out, the price of Bitcoin did drop. But these are the regulations that you're going to see in the marketplace as we go up, as we go on and mature in this kind of industry. It's up to you whether you want to take the effort to be a part of it or not. I specifically am loving cryptocurrency, and I love trading even when it's a down market. Right now it's going up a bit, so that's good. But I love using the tools and strategies that we have within iCoinPro for me to generate on a day-to-day basis a few trades. And I do it part-time right now, guys. I do it part-time, and I'm enjoying it. But I wake up with a joy and a love to learn more about cryptocurrency. And iCoinPro does help me. So after saying that, I want to show you guys a little bit of results. So let's go into my Gmail. This is my Gmail. I'm going to show you right here. It's Work with Dave. So you can see that it's me, Tips with Dave. Okay. And I want to show you that the last payment that I got from iCoinPro is on the 5th of April. But let's go back. Let's go back, guys. So this is iCoinPro, if you guys know, started in pre-launch in May. So in May, they started as pre-launch. In June and July and August, there was basically the launch and then launch of new tools. And by the time it reached September was the first time the payment was made for the platform itself. So the first time I got a commission was as you can see right here, in September. Okay, in September. So from September the 7th, every single month I have been paid with this platform. Let me repeat that for you. From the 7th of September, every single month, that's September, October, November, January, February, March, April, that's 7 months of payment. Okay, it's already in 7 months of payment. Okay, I've joined the platform for around 10 months, if I'm not mistaken already, but 7 months of pure payment. And this is the beauty of it, because the more people that you get into the business for you, the more you can generate. And it has a very interesting compensation plan. The fact that it has an annual membership, it doesn't pay you the commission immediately. It pays you throughout the year. So no matter what, if I haven't got anybody else during the year, if I got 5 people who paid for the annual membership last year, I'm getting paid every month for 12 months. And that's something that you will not find in any other business, because it allows you to to literally leverage the results that you're getting to generate more sales and more sales and more sales and more sales. So iCoinPro has been paying me in Bitcoin every single month from September. And let's go September, October, October. So we have 2 payments in October. Then we have November, another 2 payments in November, 3 payments in December, 1 in January, 2 in February, sorry, 1 in March, and 1 in April. So every single month, as you can see, that there has been a payment for me in iCoinPro as a system. So what I do basically is I trade cryptocurrencies on a day-to-day basis, and I earn that way, and I don't talk about iCoinPro to anybody. I do it myself, and I start to generate income online. Great. But I also share my results on Facebook. I share my results with people. I talk to people about cryptocurrency. I talk about the tools that are there on iCoinPro itself. If you go on the iCoinPro webinars every single week, you'll see me as well, because I believe in the product. I believe in what we're doing, and it is a very solid team in corporate and a very solid community that we are a part of on a day-to-day basis. So how is this going to help you? If you are interested in trading cryptocurrency, it has one of the simplest and most step-by-step methods, which is called a micro profit system that you can use in order for you to generate these kind of trades on a day-to-day basis, right? So I'm not going to go to my results, but I just want to show you this. And another thing that I do want to show you, if I can go quickly, these are the payments. This is the 5th of April, which you saw. Okay, the last payment that I did get from iCoinPro right here. Okay, so this is proof in my Bitcoin wallet that I'm getting paid in Bitcoin, so I'm getting increasing my Bitcoin amount as well with the help of iCoinPro. That is something that is just marvelous for me to have. And I do use the tools in iCoinPro. So let's just sign into iCoinPro, and I want to show you specifically what it is. It's, like I said, it's a membership site, guys. So it'll cost you $39.95 per month, okay, to use this membership, and it gives you updated information. So let's go to iCoinPro training, from the basics of cryptocurrency to the most advanced stuff, and to this strategy right here. So this is how I use iCoinPro to the maximum. Okay, you have this system, which is a micro profit system that teaches you how to trade. You're a beginner. You don't know anything about cryptocurrency. You don't know about anything about trading. You don't know anything about a chart. This is going to teach you the way to go ahead from basic to advanced. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Literally from basic to advanced. By the time you reach micro profit system 5 up, 5 down strategy, you are going to be an advanced trader. You're going to be making 20, 30, 40 trades per day if you want. Depends on you. Obviously, I have to put out a disclaimer here, guys. I cannot guarantee you anything. Okay, I really cannot. Honestly, the best way that I can put it is, just give me a second. I need to put out a disclaimer for you, and I want to do that very specifically because I think it's very necessary that I do it. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just finding the trick. Just give me one tiny second. I should have prepared this before, but I did not, so that's fine. It's not a problem. I can talk about it here and show you guys some results here. So you can see I'm pretty active on Facebook as well. So if you have any questions regarding iCoinPro, anything, feel free to message me on Facebook. You'll find the link in the description of this video, and that will help you more to understand what exactly we're doing. Okay, as you can see, I'm always talking about trading on my Facebook. So yeah, just a bit further. I haven't posted results for a long time. That's crazy. Almost since February. So until the end of February, for a month, I haven't posted any results. Anyway, just to give you guys a disclaimer, iCoinPro and iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide only an informational service. and are not responsible for any investments made applying for this information. The results described are not typical and not guaranteed for future income or future income. Any investment contains a risk and is 100% the responsibility of the investor to assess the risks, rewards involved. It is possible to lose some or all of your money. We assume no liability assumed or implied for your application of the information shared from the training programs. Guys, we are serious about this. If you're literally in the frame of mind and saying, I need to learn. For example, for my friends in India, if you cannot do it, don't worry about it. There are other methods. You can promote this product if you want to promote it to other people who would utilize it. But I would always suggest to use the product itself before you promote it. This is what I do. I do not share. I don't fake it till I make it. I'm here to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. The tools that you have here in iCoinPro are phenomenal, especially the iCoinPro Trade Finder. And that's why I gave the disclaimer before, because this crawls the internet and shows you where is a potential trade according to the micro profit system training. So the tool is in accordance to the micro profit system training, and you can use it to then find out exactly. Now, for example, if I want to trade this, I just click on Poloniex and I go directly to the trading platform. I can trade here, sign in and make a trade on XCP, which is country party, and make the exchange and make the trade right here according to the strategies that I know in this platform and what they teach me. If I don't implement it, guys, knowledge is not power. Knowledge is power once there's implementation of the knowledge. If you're just absorbing it, then you get a large head with an inflamed ego, and that's about it. But if you implement the knowledge, people are going to respect you and understand you much more than just absorbing the knowledge. Think about it again, once again, okay? If you do have any questions with about the micro profit system, feel free to reach out to me. And when you do click the link in the description of this video, it will take you to, I will show you the page right here. So let's just go to my YouTube and I will give an example of exactly where you're going to be taken to. And that should explain it perfectly to you, okay? So just give me a second. And so once you click on the link in the description below, you will be taken to this page right here. It shows you basically how to start a strategy on a daily basis, and the aim is to get to that 1%. If you aim for 1% on a day-to-day basis, you are good. But try at least to learn the basics and educate yourself. Okay, I'm gonna leave this link in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, like, share, and if you do like the content that you're getting on this channel, hit the subscribe button. My name is David Pin. I'm gonna see you in the next video.